Everybody wants comfort and concern. Nobody likes conflict or really likes watching bridges burn. Everybody wants love. Everybody wants faithfulness. Nobody wants silence. Nobody loves distance, loneliness, emotions, feelings, emotions, feelings. Everybody wants grace, freedom to explore. Everybody loves truth. But when our conscience gets ignored, your thoughts, my wants, and my thoughts, your needs. Why should anyone care about anything if there's no reality? Emotions, feelings, drowning. We need healing.